and good day to all. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video is, meron ako ipakita sa inyo guys. I'm going to unbox my Shopee haul. Ta-da-da! I'm so excited. Ito yung pinakahintay ko because this is my new phone. Yes, kasi nasira kasi yung phone ko ngayon. Papalitan natin yung bago. Super excited. So, ano kaya natin? Let's unbox this. Let's do this. So, by the way, guys, thank you sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa mga tumulong. Hindi ko na mention yung name, I'll not mention the name who helped me, but thank you so much. You know who you are. Thank you so much, guys, kasi kung nakaano na tayo dito sa ating phone, thank you so much. Hindi naman ito masyadong kamahalan sa mga maraming pera dyan, pero sa akin, super mahal na ito. Super mahal na ito para sa akin. So, what are we waiting for? We need to unbox this, guys. Super, sana gustuhan ko siya. So, ano pa? Let's go na! Let's get this. So, kailangan natin i-unbox to siya. Walaan nyo kung anong phone to. Walaan nyo. Super excited. Oh yes. Super. Yun na ang ating phone na bago. So, kasi hindi na mataas yung ating live. Ito siya. Wala lang po ako. I'm so happy. Thank you. My heart is so full. Right now. Wow. Yan! Nandito na ating order. My goodness. Wala nyo ang klaseng phone to. Nakaseal talaga siya ng maayos. Nakaseal yung maayos. Super. Wow! Talago! Charan! Ito na yun. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. Yung ko pa sa puso ko today. This is a Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. Oh my God. So, thank you guys. Thanks sa mga tumulong sa akin. Thank you. Look at that. I'm so happy. Inbox natin do. Bilis. I'm so excited. Okay, so ito na yung order natin. Super ganda ng box. Nakasealed talaga siya, guys. Nakasealed. Super ganda. Super. So excited to unbox this one. Okay. Alright, so basahin muna natin before natin unbox this. Basahin muna natin. This is a Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. As you can see, is may nakalagay dito na it's a MediaTek Dimensity 7300. Bongga! Ultimate processor. Bongga yung kanyang processor. Tapos, meron siyang, it's 5,200 mAh. 5-year durability battery. Bongga. 45 watts. Supercharged! Mabilis siya mag-charge. And this is Dolby Atmos stereo dual speakers. So excited to open this one. We're going to open it. Like, Viola! Ito na siya, guys. So maganda. Super. At ito na siya. Napakabongga niya. Look at that. It's a curve. Naka-curve siya, guys. It's a curve AMOLED display. Look at that. Super ganda. Meron din siyang, let's see, mga... Okay, so this is the... meron siyang 12 plus 1. So it's 13 months na warranty. Meron siyang 13 months warranty. And meron din siyang, guys, pa-casing. Meron siyang pa-casing, oh. Tignan natin yung casing. Wow. I like the color. It's color gray. I have also this charger. Meron charger. Connector. So yun lang. Okay. Siya ma-open eh. Ano kung pagka-open? Ano kaya pagka-open natin? Ay. Wala na. 2, 3. Wow. Look at that. Tagal. Perfect. Hi, sa'yo, Ella. Siya makita. Hi, hey, I'm Ella. Ito yung mga naka-register naman. Lagyan natin sa kanyang casing. Look at that. Super ganda. So, iset up ko na guys ha. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video today. Thank you so much guys. I'm so happy right now. See you in the next video guys. Thank you so much sa panonood. Oh my God, nagsaset up na ako dito. Thank you everyone.